Hello, this is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. My today's topic is motivation, education, motivation. So what I've seen recently is that, a lot of institutions, a lot of colleges, a lot of universities, they're preparing you for exams, but they're not giving you a motivation behind the studies that what exactly can you do in real life with what you learn. Okay, so that's what I noticed. And every lecture I do, I try to motivate you. I try to tell you that, hey, what are the real uses of this in life? For example, when we were doing integration under calculus, I explained you that it's basically area under the curve. Then I also went over how to find the volume using integration, or three-dimensional volume. So my attempt is always to give motivation, to let you guys know what are the uses of this in real life. But I feel like our educational system is not doing that or not doing enough. So as you know, every human brain has around 86 billion neurons, all right? And those neurons are always in a haphazard motion. They are basically just vibrating in your brain, hungry, and they're sending each other messages also. I read somewhere they said that 100 trillion messages are exchanged between neurons, okay, daily. 100 trillion with a T. So now the thing is that when a child is born, child has neurons too, right? But you got to train them. You gotta basically sort of like mold them to, or when you grow up, you have to educate them. Okay. So for example, you learn the calculus, right? You learn integration, you learn derivation, you learn algebra, trigonometry, geometry, all of those, when you're solving problems, okay, you're basically training your neurons, not training your neurons in your mind to send signals and basically understand the logic. So that is what, is lacking in this world, in my opinion. And So I just wanted to touch base with you. I am 62 years old. And since I've started doing this lectures and everything, my mind has sharpened, okay? Because for simple reason, I'm activating my neurons. I'm making them think, I'm making them communicate with each other. But if you stop doing anything, if you're not educating yourself, if you're not participating in something educational, your neurons are gradually going to die. And as you know, these neurons basically control every part of your body. I have to lift my hand, my brain sends a signal to my hand and I lift my hand. My brain says, pick up the marker and, write something on the board. I do that. I'll give you a simple example. Look at this maze right here. You've got a mouse right here, okay? This is a mouse, and the mouse wants to go to the home right here. So now, first thing is that mouse says, okay, I want to get to home. So it'll go and it'll take this path right here. Boom, it's closed, okay? So it will return back, all right? And then it'll say, oh, this is an open path. I'll take this one. And then goes over here, boom. So he keeps on trying. Mouse keeps on trying. Finally, mouse finds a way and says, oh, okay, I will go home. Similarly, you train your neurons in your mind to get home early, okay, by educating yourself, So this was just a simple example. I just wanted to give this motivational speech to all of the students, okay, to all of the people who want to learn. Remember that when you're learning something, when you're educating yourself, you're activating your neurons. And when your neurons are active and stay active, you live longer. Your body parts, everything functions effectively. all right? Not just effectively, but you have a long-lasting effects, long-lasting life, because brain controls everything. So keep your brain healthy, and I'll see you on my next lecture. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.